So I had to clear a sewer line for this house, and I thought it'd be a good opportunity to explain how I find septic tanks. So this customer thought they were on a city sewer, but when I ran my sewer machine, I actually pulled out all this junk, pretty much indicated that they were on a septic tank. Therefore, I had to dig up the septic tank and clean the filter and check to see if it was full or not. But before I could open the lid, I had to actually find the septic tank, which I'm going to show in this next part. Let's open your lid up.
Alright.
You got it?
Mm-hmm.
I want to like show this process.
Is that the septic there?
Yeah. Can you see that? Should be a lid right there.
So this isn't the septic here?
And that's my method. Basically, I use my probe to probe the ground until I hit the septic tank, and then I just draw lines on the ground to mark the edges of the tank. Once I know where the tank is on the ground, I can find the lid because it's going to be off the long end, about a foot off the end, which is where I dug here. But that's my method, and if you're trying to find a septic tank, basically if you have a general idea of where it is, just probe the ground and use my method. But once I found the septic tank lid, it took a little effort to get it open. Sometimes people will seal them with mortar when they close these up, so you see I had to work it a little bit with my shovel, but eventually I get it loose and I'm able to pry it up. And once I pried it up, I determined that this septic tank actually does not have a filter, and the drain field was bad. So you're going to see when I open this lid, it's actually filled up pretty high. It's not actually full of solids, but the liquids are really high because it's not draining out to the drain field properly. And I believe it's because of the high rain concentration at the moment in this area. But anyway, that's the video explaining our journey with the septic tank and telling you a little bit about how to find a septic tank lid. But this is Gary with Ultra Plumbing, and appreciate watching, and please like and subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll see you soon. You should be okay for the moment, but the inlet's really low. Like that pipe.
Yeah.
Your clog. Oh God.
Well, I mean, technically should be on sewage. So that affected it all still?